Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to photos on iPhone. Before I get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you have your iPhone and you want to add a specific watermark, maybe your name on there, so that everybody, if they see that photo, they know who took it, I'll show you how to do it. Now the nice thing is you can use all built-in apps on your phone. So let's open up the Photos app here and just choose a random photo. Now I'm going to hit edit at the top right, and you can see again at the top right is the little pencil icon. I'm going to tap on that, and this basically brings up the markup. So I'm going to tap the little plus icon at the bottom right and then add text, and I will essentially just change this text to Frank Gablines. And let's get out of here. Let's move this down to the very bottom right. I'm going to change this to maybe a different font. I'm going to tap on the 60 because I want this to be a little bit smaller than that. Let's say 35. And then at the bottom right, the color. I can tap on that and let's change this to white, but have some opacity, and it's say 50%, so just like that. I can move this around, and this is a watermark that I can essentially hit done now, and it adds that watermark to that photo wherever you want. Again, you can change the text, the opacity to make it fit and feel perfect for you for your specific photo. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.